Good afternoon, everyone. This is Joe coming to you from home, and I've got some good news. The problem has been solved. And it turns out that I had the vacuum lines on wrong. I was looking at a picture online, and I followed that picture, and it was the wrong. Whoever took that picture did it wrong. So I finally just basically got the schematic. I had to search for it, and I found it. But this hose right here is supposed to go up right there, and then the one right here in the middle is supposed to go to the ECM. And I had it backwards. And so what was happening was it was pulling a lot of fuel. I mean, a lot. And that's why, remember, I don't know if you guys read my post, but I had said that it seems funny when you turn the choke on, it smokes really, really bad. And so while some of that was residual oil, I do believe that it was burning a little bit of oil. Most of that was just, it was running way, 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 way rich. And that's what was causing the plugs to turn black. But so I had to pull the cars back out because I snapped one of the vacuum lines trying to fix it without taking them off. So I just went ahead and pulled it out. And so now I got it right. I had to replace this hose, and then I had to reroute the hose that goes to the ECM. So now it's all good. Started it up, had to resync the carbs. And it smoked for a little while, and what it was is there was fuel going into that diaphragm that's up underneath the carburetor housing. And it's the big one. I know there's two diaphragms in there, but it's the big one, and that's where all the fuel was at. So it just took some time to burn all that out. I had to take it all apart to make sure there was no damage to the diaphragms or the rubbers, and everything looked good. So when I started it up, it smoked for about probably 20 minutes until everything worked through. And now, ladies and gentlemen, uh-oh. I think I'm going to have to re-shim that starter or something. Now it doesn't smoke. How do you like that? So, I took it out, got it up to about 70 miles an hour. I noticed that when I kind of leaned into a turn, there was a little bit of smoke coming out, but not much. So again, I think that's just residual fuel. But at least now it's not smoking continuously like it is, or like it was. And so I think we can safely say, go ahead and shut it off, let it cool down. I think we can safely say mission accomplished. Of the 1986 Honda Goldwing Interstate.